So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. These are the AirTag one with the 4-pack, and we got this from the Best Buy. So we have a $30 reward card, and this was on sale for $59.99. Original price on this was like $89.99, which is $10 cheaper than the AirTag 2. So the AirTag 2 was like $99.99 and it wasn't on sale. So we decided to go with this version 1 again. So by the way, the version 2, it gives you a more precise location and a longer distance to track it, and also with a louder speaker. So in order for you to determine which is AirTag 1 and AirTag 2, you see those font right here. Most of the AirTag 2, they will have all capitalized letters, except the AirTags. The word AirTag, it only has a capital A and capital T within the AirTag, and a bigger speaker. So yeah, we end up paying about 30 something for all four of this. So better than paying original price. Yeah, a long time ago I got it for my family, and it was engraved and everything from Apple. So yeah, we're ready to use, and they want you to put this pull tab. So the battery could have a contact. Wow, so new. You see how it's connected like this? So you need to pull this out. There you go. And in order for you to change the battery, you need to press down your thumb and then turn it counterclockwise. Well, since I'm wearing my glove, let me take out the glove and then there you go. And this is the CR2032 battery. So yeah, you see the font on this one. The capital and then all the letters are lowercase with the AirTag 2. AirTag will be the same, and all other letters will be all capitalized. Anyway, there you have it. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. As always, peace.